Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am glad you're here and that you like my channel. I hope this video help you to know what is economic game is all about. How to earn up to $400 a day and more by playing economic games. I'm a member of WhatsApp community. If you don't know what the WhatsApp community is all about, take a look. There are many useful things in that group. Today a new project has been launched on a smart contract called Mage Wars or Mage Wars. Today was the start. I already completed the registration and now I will show you in detail how to register, how to start earning, how much can you earn, and we also test the withdrawal of funds. Yes friends, the withdrawal is available immediately, instantly, without any restrictions, and now we will check everything in this video. First let me tell you a little about the project. It is an economic game that is interesting for both passive investors and active players with teams. This is how my account looks from the inside. The beauty of the game is that the smart contract passed 2 independent audits, and this can be seen by clicking on the button above the tower in the mobile version. Audit number 1 and audit number 2 can be viewed by clicking on the button. All statistics are completely transparent and displayed directly on the site. You can see that the total number of towers, which is the time of recording this video a couple of hours ago, were just launched. I want to emphasize that this is a closed launch. We see that there are 16 towers, 44 mages, and 4.5 BNB in smart contract. However, I would like to emphasize that tomorrow will be open publication on various platforms, meaning that anyone, absolutely anyone, will be able to track how the project is developing. In case of decline in activity, you can calmly exit, receiving compensation for 14 days. That is, it will be possible to disband all the wizards, exit the project and get paid 14 days which your magic would have brought. Another huge advantage is that right now is the very beginning, the very start, and you can get in the first row, receiving advantage of time. If we compare this project with many others on the internet, then at the time of recording, this is the video the risks are the lowest. I'm not saying that there are no risks at all, but I'm saying that they are the minimum and the opportunities are the maximum. So that you understand it 3-4 months, the situation will change, because me and my team have joined this project. We will closely monitor it and I will record more videos on this topic. Watch now, I will show you how to register and start earning so that after a few hours of registering, you can see your profits, your first profits. Next, I will show you how to withdraw it. As I already mentioned, the withdrawal is instant and all done through the smart contract without any hidden fees, and that's also cool. So let's start with the registration process. To register, you will need a Trust Wallet or Metamask with the amount of BNB that you plan to use to enter. The minimum amount is funny, only $5, but since the project is on the smart contract in Binance Smart Chain, you will need BNB coins. My main account is on Trust Wallet, so I will show you on the example of Metamask wallet. We're switching to Metamask now. Note it right away. To switch your Metamask to the BNB Smart Chain network, it's at the top. Before registering, you need to add funds, which means there should be a certain amount of BNB here. Then open your browser and click on the browser button at the bottom right and paste the link you took from description or pinned comment. Okay, click the link in the site to load. We have entered the site and we need to click the login button. A window pop up to connect Metamask or connect. So it doesn't matter which wallet you use, just click connect. Then confirm the connection with Metamask. That's it, we are inside. The next step is activate one of the guild towers to start generating profit. To do this, we need to go up the tower where we see that I currently have zeros. We need to buy runes in the amount corresponding to the level you want to activate. Click the plus sign and select the amount of BNB you want to use. My balance is 0 here, but yours will be displayed as the balance of your wallet. If you want to exchange for runes, keep in mind that you need to leave at least $1 on your wallet for transactions. That is, don't and put all 100% and leave at least $1 as a portion of BNB. Then press the approve button. Now let's switch to my active account. Here I already have runes and profit. You can see that I have 1220 per hour with activated level 4, and the amount of runes I have allowed me to buy another mage. I have a higher level of 28.8, but I can't activate it yet. To make this opportunity available to me, I can take the profit I already have and swap it for runes, that is, exchange it. Mana for runes, but I won't do it now. I'll buy another rune mage when I reach level 4. I have enough, but I don't have enough BNB for the transaction. That's why I'm going to withdraw some money. Let's say 50,000 mana, which is 0.01 BNB or about $3. That will be enough for me. We hide the keyboard and press approve for 5 cents per transaction. Transaction successful. Let's go to the wallet and see that we instantly have $3 in the wallet. That's how you withdraw money. Now you can see that I have 1220 mana per hour and I want to increase that. This is where the compound interest comes in. I could take this money and go it, but I want to increase my daily profit because right now is the start, the very beginning. I'm interested in how to quickly raise and level up my tower at a mage, and here it says that my profits will increase. I will pay for it for runes 6,800. Approve the transaction for 60 cents per transaction. Transaction is successful. And now we see that I already have 2 mages working at level 4 and more money has been added to my profit. Now I will earn 2.750 mana per hour. Also pay attention, friends, to this circle at the bottom where you see 16%. You need to check it at least once a day and collect your profit. Otherwise, if it fills up to 100%, the mages will stop generating resources. This is an important point. Don't forget to click collect to get it and then confirm the transaction for 8 cents. Transaction successful, and here we see that our mana has been added again. You guys decide for yourselves. Let's try to see how much it is in dollar or in BNB. If I press sell max, then it will be 0.053. This is about $15. Look, I registered a couple of hours ago and I already have 15 that I can withdraw. I can withdraw more, but I will wait. Let it accumulate to activate a higher level of the guild. This is a difficult percentage and everyone chooses their own strategy. Remember that the risks are present in everything, absolutely everything. Therefore, do not lose your head, but use opportunities. Also, be sure to join the official project chat. There will be a lot of discussion and you can ask a lot of questions if something is unclear. So, if you are not subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to not miss new videos. Thanks for watching, likes, comment, and special thanks for subscriptions. See you in the next video.